Hey all, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how we can remove spaces in the data in the Excel without using the mouse or without the backspace. So let's find out. As you can see in this table, you can see that the data are not aligned, even though these are centrally aligned in the middle. As you can see, if I select drawing, these are not aligned. Some of the text are more to right side and some of them are more to left side. So how we can reduce these spaces? As you can see, there are number of spaces after drawing. So it's not possible to move to drawing every time and remove spaces. So the shortcut to remove these spaces is to apply the formula trim. Press equals to, right, trim, press tab, select the cell that you want to reduce spaces in and press enter. Copy this formula using Ctrl C. Go to the last cell. Select all the cells in which you want to apply the formula by using Ctrl Shift Up and press Ctrl V. There you go. As you can see, all the cells have got their spaces removed. But the question arises, if I'm working on a data which is not a single word but is in paragraph like this, and there are spaces, like suppose there's not single space, there are two space in between these two words, again there is single space, so it's very difficult to identify how to remove these spaces without entering into each cell. I will discuss the solution of this query in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Thanks for watching my channel and do subscribe.